With the X-Weave link loon pattern, you're going to start with something like this. You're going to take, in this case, you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 white, and then tie it to 1, 2, 3, 4 brown. And you're going to start with the first one because it's kind of weird. Then you're going to tie these together, twist these together, and that'll automatically make its loop. Then I would put your 5" on all these. That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That'll help hold these so they don't twist and go sideways. Otherwise, the 2 brown here on the right might end up on the left, etc. So you finish one piece. And then for this next piece, let me make this a little bit bigger. For this next piece, you're going to do similarly the same thing. You do white, white, then brown, 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 all the way around and back up to here. So that's going to be 4, 8, 9, 10, 11 brown and 2 white. You're going to start with tying these two together and then twisting here and twisting here. You'll already have these 5" accounted for on this first section. So you'll add these 5" and you'll add these 5". And if you want to build as you go, you'll attach it to these guys and you'll have this whole section. Then for the next piece, this one's a little weird because it's got a bottom piece and it's got a top piece. So what I would probably do is I'd make this one section, which is right here. I'd make white, 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 brown, brown, white, and I'd twist it into this, twist it into this, twist it into this, twist it into this, and then add my 5". And then you can go to your next section, and then you would do the same thing you did before. You do bubble, bubble, do all these. Oh, this doesn't connect. So this is an extra piece. So what I would probably do is I do bubble, bubble, do this section, finish that, add that little 5", and then wait to add this white until after you finish this section. And then you finish, maybe start from over here, do this, and do that little white piece like we did before on this side. And then what you'll do is at the very end, you'll take these last pieces and you'll already have those done because you're doing that column. And you do bubble, 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 and connect it there, add an extra 5", and that'll be the end of your gingerbread house.